Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple time zones, which is useful for monitoring time in different regions in Windows. Windows allow you to add up to 2 additional clock for different time zones. So you're going to go through 2 approaches in adding the time zones in Windows. But before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. And also, thanks to my co-subscribers for always coming back. I really appreciate that. Thank you. So this is the first approach to adding the additional clock to your Windows operating system or to your Windows, okay? So you click on Start, and then you click on Settings. And then at the left pane, you click on Time and Language. Then you click on Date and Time at the right pane. So we scroll down and then we click on Additional Clocks, okay? So this is where we are going to change our clock, or we are going to add our clock. So you take the Show Clock 1. So let's change our clock to, let's do US and Canada, okay, Eastern Time. So we are going to enter a display name, US and Canada, okay, and then we check the box for Show Clock 2. So let's change the time to Paris, okay. We'll be using Paris. So let me go up. So let's change it to Paris, okay. So here's Paris. So we'll change the display name to Paris, and then we click Apply, and then OK. So when we close this and we click on the date and time here, it's going to show the time at Paris and US and London, okay? So in Paris now it's 11:33 today, okay? And in US and Canada it's 5:33 a.m. in the morning, like as in this morning, okay? So this is the first approach to adding the additional clock to your Windows. And the second approach, you right click on the date and time at the taskbar, and then you go to add adjust date and time. Then you scroll down and then you click on additional clocks. Okay, so it brought us to the same date and time interface. So let's change the first one, the first clock to Tokyo. Okay, so we change the first clock to Tokyo, and then we change the display name to Tokyo. And let's change the second clock to let's change the second clock to I need okay, to Santiago. Okay, so we've changed the second clock to Santiago. So let me change the display name Santiago, and then we click Apply and then OK. So let me close the date and time. So when we click on the date and time at the taskbar, we see, so in Tokyo it's 1934. So 19 is 7, okay, 7:34. And then in Santiago is 7:34, okay, this morning. Okay, so 19 will be in the afternoon, or in the evening. Okay, so 7:34 now in the evening. So it's in Santiago is 7:35 this morning. Okay, so you can change the date or you can change the time to a different time zones. Okay, so you can view the time at different countries. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.